The OnePlus 15 is about to change everything you thought you knew about flagship smartphones. Just imagine speed that feels unreal, a design that turns heads, and AI that knows what you need before you even say it. This isn't just another upgrade. This is OnePlus stepping into the future, and you're about to see why tech fans across the globe are calling it the performance beast of 2025. So, stick around till the end, because there's a big surprise waiting for all of you loyal OnePlus fans. Now, let's dive into what makes the OnePlus 15 one of the most talked about upcoming phones of the year. Starting with the design, OnePlus has taken minimalism to perfection. The OnePlus 15 is rumored to feature a sleek titanium alloy frame with curved glass edges that not only look stunning but also feel incredibly premium in your hand. The display is a 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED 2K panel with a 1 Hz to 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate, giving you ultra-smooth visuals whether you're gaming, watching movies, or scrolling through social media. And with a peak brightness of 4,000 nits, outdoor visibility will never be an issue again. Powering this masterpiece is the brand new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, built on a 3-nanometer process for unmatched efficiency and blazing fast performance. Whether you're multitasking, editing 4K videos, or running heavy games, this chip handles it all with zero lag. OnePlus has also optimized its new Oxygen OS 15 to integrate AI more deeply than ever. AI learns your usage habits, enhances your photography, extends battery life, and even suggests tasks before you think of them. Speaking of power, the OnePlus 15 packs a 5,500 mAh battery supported by next-gen 150W Superbook fast charging. And here's the mind-blowing part. It can go from 0 to 100% in just 12 minutes. Plus, with improved battery health AI, your battery lifespan will remain strong even after years of use. Now let's talk about cameras, because this is where OnePlus is planning to shock everyone. The rear setup features a triple lens system co-engineered with Hasselblad, a 50MP main Sony LYT 808 sensor with AI detail optimization, a 48MP ultra-wide lens for stunning landscapes, and a 64MP periscope telephoto lens capable of 10x optical zoom. On the front, you'll get a 32MP AI portrait camera that captures crystal-clear selfies in any lighting condition. The AI camera system automatically adjusts lighting, shadows, and focus in real time, turning every shot into a masterpiece. When it comes to performance, the OnePlus 15 is a beast. Paired with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, it crushes benchmarks and gives you a gaming experience that's smooth, immersive, and lag-free. The upgraded cooling system ensures your phone stays cool, even during long gaming sessions. Now, here's where the suspense builds. Rumors suggest that OnePlus might unveil a new AI-powered smart mode exclusive to this model, which allows the phone to predict your needs, switch performance modes automatically, and even create personalized wallpapers based on your emotions. Pretty wild, right? As for the launch, leaks indicate the OnePlus 15 will make its global debut around March 2025, starting at a price close to $899 in the US. But we all know OnePlus loves surprises, so don't be shocked if they drop a Pro or Ultra variant alongside. And for those of you watching till now, here's your surprise. OnePlus is rumored to include a special edition OnePlus Buds 3 Pro for early buyers, completely free. So, if you're excited for the OnePlus 15, make sure to stay tuned for more updates, because this might just be the most intelligent and powerful phone OnePlus has ever made. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.